Hello everyone, let's draw the Lewis structure of water, that is H2O. To draw the Lewis structure of a molecule, we need to know the total number of valence electrons in the molecule. For hydrogen, the atomic number is 1 and therefore the electronic configuration is 1s1. This means that we have only one valence electron in hydrogen. For oxygen, the atomic number is 8, therefore the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here we have 6 valence electrons. The 2s2 and 2p4 electrons are considered as the valence shell. The 1s2 is the core electrons. But we have 2 hydrogen atoms in water. Therefore, this should be multiplied by 2. We have only one oxygen atom. So, this means that 2 plus 6, we have 8 valence electrons in water. Let's draw the Lewis structure now. Hydrogen always comes at the end because it can form only one bond in the vast majority of cases. Oxygen comes in the middle and hydrogen on the other end. Let's put 2 electrons between oxygen and hydrogen so that we can make a chemical bond. We still have 4 more valence electrons left. That we are going to place it on oxygen for 2 reasons. One is oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, and the other reason is hydrogen can take maximum of 2 electrons. Now oxygen atom satisfies the octet configuration and hydrogen can take a maximum of 2 electrons, therefore that also satisfies the octet configuration. Though we say octet, here they can only accept duets, that means 2 electrons. Therefore, this is the best Lewis structure that we can draw for water, or one can also represent it this way: hydrogen and then a chemical bond, oxygen and then another bond, hydrogen, and then 2 lone pairs on top of oxygen. The reason the structure is slightly bent here is because of the lone pair repulsion, and the bond angle here will be approximately 104.5 degrees. Let's determine the formal charge of H2O. Formal charge is equal to number of valence electrons in the atom minus number of lone pairs of electrons in the molecule minus number of bond pairs of electrons divided by 2. Therefore, the formal charge for hydrogen atom is equal to, we have only one valence electron in the atom for hydrogen, minus we do not have any lone pairs of electrons, therefore this is 0, minus we have one chemical bond, that means 2 electrons, therefore 2 divided by 2. So, this means the formal charge for hydrogen is equal to 0 in water. And then the formal charge for oxygen, we have 6 valence electrons in the atom for oxygen, minus we have 2 lone pairs, that means 4 here, 4 non-bonded electrons, and then we have 2 bonds, that means 4 electrons, therefore 4 by 2 here. So, 6 minus 4, 2, minus 4 by 2, 2, and therefore this is equal to 0. So, the formal charge for both hydrogen as well as oxygen atoms in water will be equal to 0.